In today's video, I'll show you how to watch 4K on HBO Max. First, open your browser and go to the official HBO Max website. Make sure you're logged into your account. To watch content in 4K, you'll need to be on the correct subscription plan. To check your current plan, click on your profile icon, then select subscription. As you can see, this account is currently on the standard plan. From there, click on Change Your Plan. You'll now see the available plans, including the premium plan. Keep in mind that only the premium plan supports 4K content. The standard and basic plans do not offer 4K resolution. Additionally, make sure you have a stable internet connection. A consistent download speed of at least 25 Mbps is required for smooth 4K streaming. Once you upgrade to the premium plan and meet the internet requirements, you can start enjoying movies and series in stunning 4K quality. And that's it. That's how you watch 4K on HBO Max.